Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by converting rhubarb into a concentrated syrup so every sip has bright flavor. Put 4 cups chopped rhubarb, 1 cup sugar, and 1 cup water into a saucepan. Heat over medium. Once it simmers, reduce heat and let it cook for 10 to 12 minutes while you gently mash the pieces to extract color and tartness. Make sure to strain through a fine sieve into a bowl so you capture vivid juice and remove fibrous bits. This becomes the backbone of your lemonade. Once your rhubarb syrup is ready, create the lemonade base by juicing 6 to 8 lemons to yield roughly 1:1. 25 cups of lemon juice. Combine equal parts lemon juice and rhubarb syrup to begin. This balances tart and sweet while preserving the rhubarb's character. Then add 3 to 4 cups of cold water and stir thoroughly. Taste as you go. If it's too intense, add more water. If it lacks sweetness, add a little syrup or simple sugar to reach the brightness you want. To finish, strain the combined mixture into a pitcher to remove any remaining pulp, then add plenty of ice and garnish with lemon slices or thin rhubarb ribbons for visual appeal. Chill for at least 30 minutes so flavors meld and refrigerate up to 3 days. Give it a quick stir or shake before pouring because separation can occur. If the drink is too tart, add more rhubarb syrup spoonful by spoonful. If it's too sweet, dilute with lemon juice or cold water to restore balance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.